What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay Anna. I'm a self-taught makeup artist and a soon-to-be esthetician as soon as I finish school, as y'all know. But for today's tutorial, I'm gonna do something a little wow, something I thought I'd never try, and that is blonde brows. So we're gonna try to do it with some concealer. I am not bleaching my brows, just like I am not bleaching my hair. I want to change the color, but I'm not doing bleach. So we're gonna try it out with some concealer and do a really pretty eyeshadow look. And I'm really excited. It is currently 1:49. What was I thinking? Yeah, I know. Well, I'm not sleepy, so let's get some content and record. So before we get started, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below just to keep the content and engagement going with the channel. So thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all at the end, and let's get started. All right, so to start off with these blonde brows, what I'm gonna do is take some translucent powder, like I always do when I start my brows. Thank y'all for watching that brow tutorial as well. I really appreciate that. That little short. And I'm taking some translucent powder, and I'm going to brush that onto the very messy brows that need to be waxed. My hard wax came in finally, and I'm going to try to wax my own eyebrows. Typically, I would do soft wax, but I didn't order any. I just didn't want to deal with it. But anyway, brushing the translucent powder on the brows just to mattify them and make sure that no oil, which I typically don't have oil on my face anyway because I have dry skin, or any other products such as moisturizer or sunscreen is on my brows. So we're going to mattify them like so. Next, I'm going to take this brow pencil, but I'm just taking the end of the spoolie part. And I'm looking in the camera like I don't have a mirror, but we're going to take it and brush those brows in the direction that they grow. Like so. Now, I think what's gonna make or break for these blonde brows is the tone of concealer that I have. So I have these two concealers right here from e.l.f. It's their Hydrating Camo concealers. I hate them on under my eyes. I love e.l.f. Y'all know how much I love e.l.f. I use that a lot, but I hate the Hydrating Camo concealers. The Camo concealers just work better. And these are supposed to be for more drier skinned people. But it's just so flaky. And it works, and it doesn't work with anything. Any powder, any other concealer. I really don't like them. But I do use them on other people. And we're going to use them on the brow. So I'm going to take these two concealers. I'll find my little plate if I brought it. And mix these two concealers together. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm taking an angled brush with the concealer on it, and I'm just basically going to fill in my brows. And what I'm using is, I'm using a method of how you would when you're filling your brow with a brow pomade. So we're just doing that, keeping the shape, and just filling the brows with concealer. After placing the concealer, we are just going to go in with some eyeshadow, which I probably should have used a powder, but I didn't have one that matched the tone of the concealer. So I use an eyeshadow, and I'm just setting those brows and going back in with the concealer just to make it darker. My brows are dark. Didn't really realize how dark they were. So the next time I do colored brows, I am going to try to just block out that darkness. I'm gonna figure it out though. So cleaning up the brow, using some foundation. I thought foundation would match a whole lot better than concealer. And I'm just cleaning them up. Trying to make them snatch, trying to make them sharp. You know. Not TV being on. But then we're gonna blend this foundation out. And I'm taking the spoolie end of the eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to blend the beginning of my brow out to take away that boxy look. And we're looking good. Let me tell y'all something. I felt so comfortable doing this. It felt really fire to do this look, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I was inspired by JT with the blonde brows to do a futuristic eyeshadow look. So priming the lids with some concealer, blending all that out per usual. And I'm using the Coffee Shop palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm going for more of a, found my contact lens case. Yeah, going for more of a halo eye. So I'm just going to deepen up and add more dimension to the outer corner and inner corner of my eye, going from a light brown shade to a darker brown shade, even leaning into a little towards a black to add more dimension and depth, like I said, into the look. And we're going to leave that middle of my eyelid alone because what's going in there is a silver shimmer. I'm going to use 2 just to make the eye pop more. This look is more of a futuristic vibe, I will say that, but also more of just being creative. This look really, I am proud of this, y'all. I stepped out of my comfort zone and I decided to be a little bit more creative. Makeup is art, okay? The clean girl aesthetic is cool and all that, but makeup is art. So become the artist. There's no right or wrong way whenever you're doing it. So after blending all that out on the inner corner, outer corner, we're going to place that shimmer in the middle. And I also smoked my lash line. I put on some lashes at the end that I got from Amazon. Really wasn't feeling those lashes, but I will be keeping them for clientele. Now, this video is just for the eyeshadow. The foundation video will be coming up soon because I have a review coming up. But I hope y'all really enjoy this video. I hope y'all enjoy this look. I got some pictures coming at the end. Like I said, this is a fun look. I'm going to start bringing more funness to my channel, more creativity so that y'all can see it more. But thank y'all so much for watching. I deeply appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe.